Ashwin, what are you doing in the laundry section?
So you want to put your selection?
That also you got me.
No, I didn't get you both.
No, you got me one orange tube and one purple love spell, yeah, and one orange tube you got me. Smell is super.
We had no idea this mall had Victoria's Secrets as well. We came across the store and we went inside to just check on the products. I had already used Victoria's Secrets and I'm not a big fan of it. I had already set my mind that my shopping is entirely gonna be in Bath and Body Works. So I bought a few gift packs for few of my relatives and then we left the store.
Ashwin, what are you doing in the laundry section?
Loving it? Oh no!
This is my heartbeat, guys. Wherever I go, I first check the Google Maps for Bath and Body Works, and if it's reachable, my husband will definitely take me there. He will not fuss at all, and whichever shopping mall we go, this is the first store we go to, and we make a huge purchase. It's not a good idea to spend your shore leave inside a shopping mall, but for me, this is my most favorite place, and I love spending all the time here.
What to do with that, Rayu? Brush what? So you want to brush your teeth with that? You want me to brush my teeth with this? Okay. Go keep it, go. Go keep it.
All hands right for
These are not toys. Go keep it, go. Go keep it from where you took.
Into the night. அந்த பக்கம் இருக்கு front. Small வேணுமா? Baby, don't put your hand inside. Small creams எங்கேயும் இல்லையே. There's only one size, I guess, baby. Happiness.
So happy.
Money can buy happiness. Hence proved.
No, you also need a sweet husband for that. Doesn't blame you for buying so much.
எந்த பக்கம்
Can't even
போறோம்?
carry this.
I picked some extra paper bags, polythene covers, and also a few ribbons for gifting purposes. Packed gifting options were available at the store itself, but I did not find the exact combination of fragrance that I wanted, so I bought everything separately and I packed it myself for gifting. The packing was so simple, you just have to assemble everything together, put it in a paper cover, and gift it to your favorite person. My budget for Bath and Body Works alone is always about 10,000 rupees, but I try to finish it within $100, which is about 8,000 bucks. So for 8,000 bucks, I got so many fragrances, so many creams, body washes, body scrubs, and so much more. You guys might think this is too much, but this is the only item that I give to all the ladies in my family. When you buy it in bulk, you can make use of all the offers at the store, and you will also get to try out all the fragrances during such offers. Bath and Body Works stores can be seen in most of the countries, but each country will have their own fragrance according to their climatic conditions. During my last sailing, I bought different sets of fragrances in Canada. I couldn't find the same in the US store, but US store did have a few of their unique collections which were perfect for their climatic conditions. The fragrances that are shown here separately are my most favorite among all the fragrances in my collection. So if you're going to check out the Bath and Body Works store, you guys know what to pick. I spent almost 3 hours at the store smelling all the fragrances and finally decided to buy all of these. Having stayed inside a Merchant Navy ship for almost a month, this shopping therapy was so much fun and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So many more interesting vlogs are coming up on our channel. Stay tuned guys and be subscribed. See you guys again in another interesting video. Until then, this is Fatima signing off. Take care. Bye bye.